Check it out, I'm your AI influencer on the scene, sipping coke in the ride, living that digital dream. I walk, I talk, switch outfits like a boss, landing brand deals, no sweat, no loss. But listen up close, this isn't a secret to keep. In this video, discover how I came to be, step by step, from prompt to creation. It's all laid out here. AI influencer life, now still the show. Suppose AI influencer life, now still the show.
All right, I'm super excited to show you how to create your own consistent, realistic AI influencer. You will learn how to create a super realistic base image, train your avatar, put her in different scenes wearing different clothes, and bring her to life by making her walk and talk. It's very common now in the industry for brands to collaborate with AI avatars to promote clothing and various products. Check out this ad that I created using my AI influencer image.
Cold, classic, and always on point. If it's not Coke, it's not happening.
This is a good ad, done in less than 2 minutes, and it is how products are already being promoted. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, like for more tips, and let's dive in. The tool we're going to be using is OpenArt. This is my go-to tool for creating consistent characters, the best I have come across so far. It is a paid tool. When most people try to build an AI influencer, they get a few decent images, but none of them really match. This breaks trust with your audience. It confuses your branding, and honestly, it just looks sloppy. What we're doing today is different. We're going to build someone your audience can recognize across content. Now, head over to OpenArt and log in. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to try it out. You will get 40 credits when you sign up for their free account, which is enough to create about 8 images. So you can try it out, but you will need more credits to do what we're doing today. Once you're logged in, go to Generate Image. Under Model or Character, choose the Flux Context Pro model. It is great when you want softer, natural lighting and realistic tones. In the prompt section, I'm going to describe what my influencer looks like. Here's the prompt I used. You can pause the video to read it. And please let me know in the comment section if you want the prompts used in the video. Now before you hit create, set the output size to vertical. I also want to have 2 image options to choose from. Then click create. My images are out. I'm going to have a look and see if I find one that I like. I'm going to go with this one. This is my base image that I will use on the AI to train my character. The next important step now is to upscale the image to a higher resolution. Go to Upscale and choose 2x plus face. Next up, we want to get different angles of our AI influencer. To do this, we're going to create a video of her turning around and then take screenshots. Go ahead and click on Use Image, then Image to Video. It will take you right to the video creation section in OpenArt, and you'll find your image preloaded as a start frame. Select the video model you will use. I'm going with Kling 2.1. Here is the prompt I used to create the video of my influencer turning. In Settings, I will select 10 seconds because I want to give her enough time to turn. I'll leave the quality mode at standard and click Create. All right, the video is out, and I'm pleased with it. I'm gonna download it to my computer and take screenshots by pausing the video as she turns. Here's why. Instead of guessing what your character looks like from different angles, OpenArt just gave us a full rotation, every possible view we need to train her consistently. So, scrub through the video slowly. Take screenshots as the character turns. What we need to train her is a clean front-facing frame, a 3/4 turn from both the left and right, a true side profile, and at least one rear view with partial face visible. Aim for about 10 to 20 images from different angles. The more varied but recognizable, the better. Make sure the images are clear. Once you've got your images, it's time to lock in your character's consistency. In OpenArt, go to Characters. Then click on Start with 4+ images. Give your character a name. Upload all your reference images, but the very first image you upload should be your upscaled original one. Now give your character a name. I'll call mine Ava. This name matters. It's how the system remembers and associates prompts with your specific character. Once uploaded, click Create Character. Behind the scenes, OpenArt is learning the facial structure, skin tone, eye shape, hair flow, posture, everything. This process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, and when it's done, you'll have your own trained AI character. Our character is now trained. We're not going to stop here. We're going to test her and push her flexibility while keeping consistency locked, all right? Let's go ahead and use our newly created AI influencer. Now click on Characters and then Create. You'll notice her name is automatically added to the prompt field. So, how are we going to prompt her? We're not going to give a vague prompt like Ava at the balcony, as we won't get good results. But something like this. Ava standing on a modern apartment balcony at golden hour. Close-up shot. Shoulders up, facing the camera with a relaxed smile and soft, natural makeup. She's wearing a white one-shoulder linen top with gold hoop earrings. Her long, straight black hair is tucked behind one ear, catching the light. The background shows a blurred cityscape bathed in warm orange tones. Skin glows in soft sunlight, eyes slightly squinting from the light. Editorial photography style, shallow depth of field, cinematic framing. Do you see what I'm doing here? I'm getting specific about clothing, lighting, facial expression, and the overall vibe of the scene. You don't have to copy these exactly, but treat them like templates for your own character. Be deliberate. Each of those layers gives the AI a clearer target. Set the prompt, adherence to 2, to give room for flexibility and creativity. The character weight should be at 0.8. Disable preserve key features. We don't want the AI to stick to every detail when creating our image, as we want to be able to change her clothing. Select your desired aspect ratio, number of images, and click Create. Here is our generated image. I don't know about you, but this is her. Same facial features. I'm going to go ahead and create another image. Let's look at this image. She still maintains her face, even when smiling, but her arms look weird. And the next one, I like it. I'll show you a few more images that I went ahead and created. Remember our base image. Now, have a look. If you really want to create an AI influencer, I don't know what you're waiting for. With OpenArt, you can train your model and have an influencer that can change clothes, hairstyles, and so much more without losing facial features. I've left the link to OpenArt in the description if you would like to try it out. Now, I want us to take this up a notch and bring our AI influencer to life by showing her walking, talking, and engaging just like a real person would. To do this, we're going to use Google Veo 3, which is Google's advanced AI video generator. As of now, Veo 3 is widely available through various platforms, including OpenArt, Gemini AI, Leonardo.ai, and Canva for easier use. It's not entirely free. You'll need a subscription starting from around $20 per month for Gemini plans, but many offer free trials. Veo 3 excels at creating high-quality, cinematic 8-second clips from text prompts, including features like image-to-video conversion, lip sync dialogue, sound effects, and smooth motion. Go to Google and search for VO3. Go to Google DeepMind and click Try in Gemini. You can get a free trial for a month under the Google AI Pro. It will require you to provide your card details, so you can go ahead and provide them, but make sure you cancel your subscription before the month ends, so you won't be charged if you don't want to continue using it. After that, you can go back to Google and search for Google Flow. This is how we will use VO3. Gemini limits you to 3 image generations per day, while Google Flow will give you 1,000 monthly credits. Click on Create with Flow. We're going to use VO3 Fast. It uses 20 credits per video generation. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, upload one of the images from our AI influencer we created, and ask it to give me a prompt. This is what I said. Create a prompt for this image. I want her to touch her hair and say something like, "Follow me for the best hair tutorial for natural hair. Make it interesting. 8 seconds, remember." ChatGPT has given me both the image to video prompt and the dialogue for my character. Back at Google Flow, as we will be animating the images we already have, we will change this to frame to video, upload our image, then paste in our prompt from ChatGPT. Then generate. The videos are out. I will play them to see if I like them. Let me play them for you.
If you've ever wondered how I get my curls this defined, don't scroll. Follow me for the best natural hair tutorials ever. I just wrapped up a shoot downtown, grabbed my favorite iced coffee, and now I'm heading home to edit. It's been a good day. Okay, outfit's locked, hair's doing its thing, and now I just need these girls to hurry up because I'm so ready for dinner. Look at this view though.
By combining OpenArt for static consistency and VO3 for motion, your AI influencer can do it all. Walk, talk, change scenes, and even include audio. So now the cost of this process, so you know exactly what to expect. OpenArt has a free tier that's great for dipping your toes in, and you get 40 one-time trial credits when you sign up. For building consistent AI influencers and avatars like we did today, which requires more generations, character training, and video tools, you need a paid plan, and I recommend at minimum the advanced plan, which gives you 12,000 credits per month. If this got you fired up, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more practical AI tips. But listen, if realistic avatars feel a bit too intense and you're more into building a sleek 3D talking avatar that stands out, check out the video linked on the screen where I break it down step by step.